This routine is designed to get your body fired up, boost your heart rate, and prep you for high energy training. We will build speed, stamina, and confidence just like Meg's stage power. No worries if you're new, everything's guided, mirrored, and beginner friendly. Let's get started.
Rocket if you're still alive after
Up
this
next,
round. Drop
sprint.
a skull or a horse in the comments.
Real hot girl shit.
Don't forget to
Five,
hit subscribe so
4,
you're ready for the next
3,
session.
2, 1. Start your exercise.
Start light, focus on form and breathing. This builds your sprint foundation.
Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little weight. Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little weight. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. How I body that? Ate it up and gave it back. Yeah, you look good, but they still wanna know we're making it. Talking like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in that dress and he
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Recover at a steady walk. Control your breathing.
They gon' click it if it's me. All my feelings been getting these niggas through the quarantine. Bitch, I'm very well on my shit as you could tell. Any hoe got beef from years ago is beefing by herself. If we took a trip on a real creep tip, bitch, rule number 1 is don't repeat that shit. Rule number 2, if they all came with you, they better know exactly what the fuck they came to do. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little weight. Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little weight. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. The category is body. Look at the way it's sitting. That ratio so out of control. That waist, that ass, that titties. If I were me and I would've seen myself, I would have bought me a drink. Took me home, did me long, ate it with the pennies on. I could build a house without a brick I got. Bitches spend a lifetime trying to get this high. And if her head too big, I could make that pop. I'm not the one to play with, like to touch me not.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Push a little faster. Boost stamina and heart health.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Use this walk to reset. Prepare for the next sprint.
Canvas. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Stronger sprints improve speed and leg power.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Keep walking. Active recovery builds endurance.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shot. Hands on my
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Less rest, harder sprints. Burn fat and build endurance. If you're still alive after that round, drop a skull or stallion emoji in the comments below. Show some love and support. Thanks for sweating it out with me.
Acting stupid. What was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low with this swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype. Write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Shorter rest now. Push through. You've got this.
Cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. I'm a savage. Got this shit from Tina. I pop my shit, now watch me pop again. Too much drip, keep it real, you still a change, I'm a savage.
It's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, My money thick, ayy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Peak effort for maximum calorie burn and endurance.
Ass bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Final walk. Breathe it out. Recover strong.
New shit, you on that last year, Bitch, I do pimp shit, Oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, one flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches bursting, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper than yellow, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be cheating. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great job, get ready for the finisher. We're dancing it out to wrap up this warm-up. Make sure to check out the right side of the screen for the next moves. Everything is mirrored, so just follow along.
Big titties, little waist, body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little waist, body yaddy 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 yaddy. How I body that? Ate it up and gave it back. Yeah, you good, but they still wanna know where Megan at. Saucy like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back. See me in that dress and he felt like he almost tasted that. Num, eat it up. Go play okay, 3, 2, 1. You know I'm the hottest. You ain't never gotta hit me up. I'm present when I'm absent, speaking when I'm not there. All them bitches scary cats. I call them Carol Baskins. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Big titties, little waist, body crazy, curvy waist, big titties, little waist, body yaddy 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 yaddy. I'm a hot ebony, they gon' pick it if it's me. All my features been getting these niggas through the quarantine. Bitch, I'm very well, on my shit as you could tell. Any hoe got beef from years ago is beefing by herself. If we took a trip on the real creep tip, bitch, rule number 1 is gon' repeat that shit. Rule number 2, if they all came with you, they better know exactly what the fuck they came to do. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little waist. Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. The category is body. Look at the way it's sitting. That ratio so out of control. That waist, that ass, that titties. If I were me and I would've seen myself, I would have bought me a drink. Took me home, did me long, ate it with the pennies on. I could build a house without a brick I got. Bitches spend a lifetime trying to get this high. And if her head too big, I could make that pop. I'm not the one to play with, like to touch me not. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little waist. Body crazy, curvy, weight, big titties, little waist. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Awesome job. Make sure to do this warm-up before each workout session in the program to get your body fired up and ready to crush it. Don't forget to hydrate, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye.